Right, so I've replaced the motor on my transfer case. This is on my 98 Mazda B4000 truck, and now it works. Now here's the old motor. So I'm breathing kind of heavy, I'm laying on the ground, and it has this spare wire. I'm going to snip it here at the plug because the new one doesn't have that wire. So if anybody knows what this wire is for, I'd appreciate that information. If I should, I'm going to cut it here, but if I should get rid of it, or if I should, figure out what it goes to. But I have tested it, and it does seem to go in and out of four-wheel drive. I just started the motor, put it into neutral, and then flicked the switch, and it told me it was in 4 high, and then I flicked it again, told me it was in 4 low. So looks like this motor is good to go, and this one is trash. So anyway, it's going to snip it here and call it good. Well, I'm going to test it again after snipping it just to make sure everything's still working. But yeah, if anybody knows what this wire is for, if it's just a grounding wire that's not necessary or anything, I would definitely appreciate that information. Anyways, thanks for watching this brief video. Have a great day.